Orbital Outfitters was founded in 2006, entirely private financed. All of our work has been private. Basically, it was to support the NewSpace industry, so the folks who are actually coming to these kinds of events. The niche that we were after was suits that are actually affordable. Right now, what's out there is ridiculously priced. Suits that are actually the right suits for the vehicles that are being built. And that actually was one of the real, it's a good transition, because it was really the key to the presentation that I gave today, which is that anybody who says, hey, I've got a suit, it's ready for your vehicle, is just trying to unload a suit. A suit has to be customized to a specific vehicle has to be customized to a specific suit. The amount of integration that has to go on between those two items is very significant. You know, there is no such thing as suits aren't the clothes you wear on launch day. They're not off the shelf. You don't just get to put one on and jump in the vehicle and go. They're a subsystem that gets built into the vehicle. So basically that opportunity was what Orbital Outfitters was founded to basically go after. It's been a hard haul in the sense that the industry has taken a whole lot longer to get to where they wanted to be. It is rocket science, and it is hard, and it is expensive. But the last year has been really cool, because I've had 5 years now of people saying, I absolutely want to buy this thing that you sell soon. And now we're just running frantic trying to make sure that we're able to make all the adaptations to all the people who need it. So it's pretty cool right now.
So you're getting orders?
We're doing a lot of development. Orders isn't quite the right word, because orders come when people are ready to fly, but development is when they're making sure we have the right suit and they have the right vehicle and the two match correctly. So we're doing a lot of that work right now. But it's coming, and it's nice to see it actually coming. Like any new industry, it's a hard push at this point. So the short version of my speech was discussing a lot of the factors associated with suit use that, you can't really sugarcoat it. Suits are hard, they're complicated, they're expensive. There's a lot of things you end up thinking about with suits on the one hand. On the other hand, there is no good alternative to a suit. You can't really get away from having one. There's no real way to do that. One of the interesting things that has been really highlighted to me is that NewSpace right now is, in terms of vehicles, is in a similar place, though at a smaller scale, than aviation was, back in the teens and the 20s. In the sense that, look at early airplanes. Well, we're going to have a biplane that's going to have 2 wings. Well, we're going to have a triplane that's going to have 3 wings. No, I'm going to have one with 5 wings. And then somebody else is saying, no, you really just need 1. That's the optimal solution. And so you see this range of all kinds of, and people are, nearly religious in their belief of their particular approach to the problem. And when you try to have suits that go into those vehicles, it's just such a range of things that they're asking of the suit. One of the rather than name particular companies, I'll just say one of the suborbital companies compared to one of the orbital companies. On the suborbital side, maximum duration of a flight, 18, 19 minutes. What do the people have to do while they're in the vehicle? Oh, absolutely nothing. They don't actually have anything that they have to do. Orbital, on the other hand, how long might they be in the suit? Oh, they could be in the suit for 4 or 5 hours. Well, how long if they're in vacuum? Well, they might be in vacuum for a whole hour in the suit. That's a whole different beast entirely in terms of how you have to take care of the person, how long they're in there, all the things it has to do. So you end up, on the one hand, looking at a suit that is as simple as possible, as comfortable as possible, is extra comfortable unpressurized, because even if it does pressurize, you're only going to have to put up with it for 10 minutes. Versus something that if it's pressurized and you have to be in it for an hour and you have to do lots of essential tasks to make sure that you get a safe landing, that's a whole different ballgame. So it gives you some idea of the range that we've been looking at lately.